Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ravtej Singh and I'm the CEO and founder of Ludisology. I'm 17 years old and I study in grade 12 from Vivek High School, Chandigarh.
I'm Kaira Mahajan. I'm the COO and co-founder of Ludisology. I'm 15 years old and I study in Strawberry Fields High School, Chandigarh.
The problem statement that we are trying to solve over here is that school students playing sports do not have easy access to trained professionals that can help them manage their psychological issues. Some basic problems that school students face are anxiety before a match, underconfidence, overconfidence, how to deal with success, how to deal with failure, and how to deal with other issues that may impact their performance.
So the question that arises is, why can't school counselors and parents and coaches, why can't they help them? It's because the coaches and parents are not professionally trained. Coaches have too much on their plates and they cannot handle each and every student on their team. And thirdly, that the school counselors are trained in educational psychology and not in sports psychology.
So how did this all come about? Where did the idea for Ludisology start? Well, it all started when one of my closest friends broke his ankle. It doesn't seem like that big of an issue, but it happened 5 months before a big trial which he was working towards for the past 2 years. He recovered from it pretty soon in the first 2 months, but he wasn't able to get back that skill, that level of motivation and that focus. Even though he spoke to his parents, his counselors, his coaches, they couldn't help him. And because of that, he lost his chance to play for the nationals, and he still regrets it to this day.
So the solution that we're offering is an on-demand psychological counseling via an app that connects school-level students with professionally trained sports psychologists. So let us tell you how it works. Firstly, the student can log into the app, which is free to download.
After that, they log in and then they can select a psychologist based on the ratings.
Thirdly, they will have one-on-one sessions with the sports psychologists.
So now let's talk about the total addressable market. The total number of high schools in North India, which consists of the states Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, is about 10,000. The number of students that would require our service in one particular school is about 30 students, and the demographic is students playing sports between the ages of 14 to 18. Going by these numbers, we have an approximate market of 300,000 people in North India alone. And talking about the total addressable market pan-India, going by the same ratio, we have a market of 39 million students. So we conducted a survey in about 85 people from the age groups of 14 to 18 who play sports. We asked them a couple of questions, and one of those questions was that, do you think a sports psychologist would be able to help you get over your issues and your hindrances?
And about 90% of them said that they would be interested in something like this that would help them improve their game.
And when we asked them that would they be interested in such an app that would connect them to a trained sports psychologist,
then about 88% said that they would be interested in an app.
So let's talk about the business model a little. The business model that we'd be following is a B2B2C, where we'll be approaching the schools and sports academies directly to acquire our customer base. Now we'll have two main revenue streams. The first one is a single session of 45 minutes, which would cost about approximately $13 and the second one a monthly subscription model, which consists of 4 sessions of 1 hour each, which would cost approximately $50. Initially, we'll be taking about 25% of the fees given by the client, but as we grow, we'd also increase our margins. Talking about the cost structures, we have two main costs. The first is the one-time cost and the others are the recurrent or monthly costs. The first one is the cost of making the app, which is about INR 1.5 lakh or approximately $2,000.
So the other costs include the marketing, the operating and the staffing cost. Our go-to-market strategy will be divided into 2 phases. Phase 1 will be in the first 3 months of the operation and the target will be 5 schools. We will approach them directly or via sports teachers and academies.
Phase 2 will consist of the first 6 months of operation and our target will be 15 schools. Apart from direct approach to the schools, we will also be using mailers and word of mouth to acquire our customers.
Talking about a lean canvas, we are 100% compliant. Is this model scalable?
Yes. We plan to offer complementary services such as diet and nutrition, physiotherapy, and performance coaching as well. And the best part? That this model can be replicated across the globe and in different verticals.
Validation for our business idea has come from senior and vetted people in the sports ecosystem. The first one was by none other than Mr. Bisham Singh Bedi, who was the former captain of the Indian cricket team.
He agrees that the mental health of school-going sports players is critical for their performance.
Our next validation is from Mr. G. Rajaraman, who is a senior sports journalist and has over 37 years of experience.
So this is a beautiful idea of connecting young people with psychologists and staying private. I think it is a very modern way of communicating with psychologists where young people can seek help and get it.
Let's see what Kirthana Swaminathan, a mental conditioning coach and sports psychologist, has to say.
I think the biggest need in the field of sports psychology today is addressing the issues of school athletes. And I think this app is rightly addressing it. I think what we can see in a long term is to build a lot of awareness at that young age for school athletes, which will help them on a long run. So kudos to the entire team to put up an entire app for this.
We're excited to say that we already have some investor interest.
And the next step will be to secure our IP. Ravtej here will be taking care of our product development.
And Kyra will be taking care of the go-to-market strategy. Let's choose to perform with Ludisology.